Are you looking for the best throw blankets? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best throw blankets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. After countless hours of snuggling, we can say that our overall best throw blanket, the Barefoot Dreams Cozy Chic Throw Blanket, is a fan favorite amongst our editors. It's made from plush polyester microfiber material, with a texture that resembles your favorite fuzzy socks. This blanket is the clear winner in terms of softness, with an inviting, cloud-like material we can't get enough of. It's also quite stylish, and we love styling it on our beds and sofas. This throw blanket is warm and insulating, and we find ourselves reaching for it more when the temperatures are cold. However, it has a light to medium weight that's comfortable for everyday use. Many of our team members own and love this throw blanket, and it holds up well through regular use. Although there haven't been any major changes in texture, we have noticed very slight fiber matting with continuous use and washing. Dimensions: 54 x 72 inches material, polyester microfiber weight, light to medium care, machine wash cold, gentle cycle. Lay flat to dry or tumble dry low. Number 2. Best Plush. A tried and true plush blanket is a must-have in most households, and for this purpose we love the Bedsure Gentle Soft Fleece Bed Blanket. The flannel fleece material is super soft, and our tester even says that it feels like laying on a cloud since it's so comfy. It's also worth noting that if you need a blanket for every room in your house, welcome to the club. This one comes in multiple sizes and colors, and has a wallet-friendly price point. We suspect the polyester construction helps keep cost down. We tried it on both our bed and as a throw blanket, and enjoyed snuggling up both ways. We did encounter some of the fibers shedding from this blanket after washing it several times, so we don't expect it to be as durable and long-lasting as some of the pricier picks on the list. But given how much we're enjoying it in the meantime, and how fair the price is, we can accept the shedding and still happily recommend it. Dimensions: multiple sizes, kid-sized up to California King material, fleece weight, lightweight care, machine wash. Number 3. Best cooling. We tested the 15-pound tree napper and loved the even weight it provided, which in our experience helps us relax and wind down. It's made with plant-based tensile fibers and organic cotton, giving it a temperature-regulating effect. Even during the sweltering New York City summer, we found ourselves wrapping up in this unique blanket because of its calming benefits. This isn't a blanket you'll reach for if you're looking for warmth, but we think it's a game changer for anyone who runs hot but still likes the comforting weight of a throw. Because this is a weighted blanket, note that it can be quite bulky and difficult to maneuver and store, especially as you go up in size. It wasn't a deal breaker for our testers, but it might be something to consider if you plan on moving your blanket between rooms or in and out of storage on a regular basis. Dimensions: 40 x 64, 40 x 72, 45 x 72, or 48 x 72 inches material, 52% tensile lyocell, 48% organic cotton weight, heavy care, machine wash separately in cold water, on a delicate or permanent press cycle. Tumble dry on low.